Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start now by confirming admin privileges and locating the 48-digit BitLocker recovery key tied to your device. Once done, check Microsoft account, Azure AD, USB key, or printed documentation for the exact key. Make sure to note the drive ID shown on the recovery screen because the correct key corresponds to that ID. If the key is in a file, copy it to a separate USB. Don't waste time guessing. Proceed only with the matching recovery key in hand. You now enter the recovery key exactly as displayed. Prefer copy-paste from the USB file to avoid transcription errors. Once the key is accepted, the drive unlocks and you'll boot into Windows Recovery or the OS. Make sure to run chkdsk/f on the unlocked volume and inspect the system and boot logs to verify integrity. If boot files were damaged, use Startup Repair or BCD Boot to restore boot configuration. Keep a note of any error codes for the final steps. You finish by disabling BitLocker temporarily only after repairs succeed, using Control Panel or Manage BDE Protectors Disable, then confirm system stability. Once everything boots cleanly, re-enable protection with TPM plus PIN and immediately save the new 48-digit recovery key to your Microsoft account and an external backup. Make sure to test a full reboot twice. If the unlock still fails, try an alternate recovery key or USB. Verify the correct drive ID and contact the device owner or Azure AD admin for the proper key.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.